Hey class, Mr. Silvestre here. Hopefully everybody's doing okay in this shelter in place thing. Hopefully you're staying healthy. I'm actually gonna do this quick mixed media art lesson. I have a paper that I folded in half and into 6 parts. And what we're gonna do today is a texture lesson. So I am in this side yard of my house. It has a good wall that I could do a texture rub on. I have a few wooden panels that I'll demonstrate on the paper, and then maybe this workbench right here has some good texture too. So you can do this anywhere around your house. Just get some crayons. I got 3 crayons right here. Okay, and then my piece of paper I folded in 6 parts, and then I put it 6 so you could do 6 different textures. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna use green for this wall. Don't paint the wall or color the wall. Okay. You want to see where it's bumpy or smooth. Just have fun with it. Use different colors so you see the different textures. So that's the first one. It's green. See that real rough texture there. I'm going to use this wood right here. Let's do the other one. See all this grain? Let's do blue. Yeah, this is a little bit better on wood because you can see the lines showing up. I'll show you I'll zoom in a few seconds here. That's pretty cool. All right, let's do one more texture here. Let's see if I can get this in the camera. A little texture right here on this workhorse I have. Pretty cool. All right. It's pretty cool. 3 textures I did, just texture rub. Okay, do that for all 6 panels if you want. You could also challenge yourself on drawing it. Add color pencil or just pencil to add value to it. So a few examples I did just using pencil. I'll probably post this on as a JPEG. So that was the wood grain. Okay, and then this was brick. And then this was like a belt I did a texture rub on. Has a good pattern. And then right here, brick again, just using line. And then challenged myself and was creative on doing rocks and like a stream river. All right, have fun, stay healthy. Peace.